Yes, I greet you, my brothers, my sisters. Now I join them this morning because this video agree 10 minutes. This video will not reach 10 minutes. So, because obuni nesunyem kita achomu kinyaka share this message. Onye njimaka ya na-eme this message maka brother ọ na-akpa anyị don. Afụrụ m video mere gbasara Matthias Ezak and Evangelist Ebuka Obi. Annie done, though I'm going video come about you about 3 or 4 times, and all the videos need concerning you, bo onise against Christianity. That is why you make video against you. Annie done, I'm maybe not gonna video email. I know where you are going, and some people have been saying about it. Annie done, number one, bo Matthias Ezak and the Evangelist Ebuka Obi. If you are seeing Evangelist Ebuka Obi, Burata ministry ya church ya Igbo land Matthias Ezak Law Hospital you will picture hana but if you conclude raba ni na bụ Evangelist Ebuka Obi church ka ọ bụ natala Matthias Ezak Law Hospital. I know where you are going. I know where you are going. Yani don Evangelist Ebuka Obi ifo bụ natana na Igbo a abụrụ sọnsọ ministry ya no. Ani don ọ bụ nu bere ebe Evangelist Ebuka Obi kwuru ese no na plan Elo University n'Imo State. On in the whole Kubasa development on a water na East here. Anambra State, either Aguleli or Umuleli. Evangelist Ebuka na Law Secure Hospital. All if it's like they are almost finishing it now. Hana land that place up now. There are so many places Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Law. I know where you are going. I know where you are going in this video email. I know where you are going. Onye nke alọ church, onye nke alọ hospital. There's any bad size nice bottom Matthias Ezak. But I done. Each email video concerning Matthias Ezak. Go straight to point. Make video each lazy form. Lazy form is a very good idea. Manage is never and say because be onye nke alọ church, onye nke alọ hospital. For what reason? Go to Imo State and go up now. If there some real estate this thing, they have bought many lands in Imo State. Many people are being Ghana. Now, in fact, development has come to Ngopana. And many people are gonna praise when attention Kahalo school, Kahalo hospital, or Kahalo factory. Some people need Ghana Bana, law something they will benefit. Evangelist Ebuka Obi jikwa his own plan to go to Imo State. Onye ọbụla si na asọsọ church ka Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Imo State. Onye ambụ onye okwu asị. Anybody ọbụla kwu na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na ihe o ji maka abịa n'Imo State na asọsọ church ka ọ na-alụ. Onye ambụ okwu asị. Ọ bụ na asọsọ church ọ nọ na Lagos ha nọ na ya. Mana ọ mago things ọ chọrọ ịlụ in future. Ihe ọ chọgara ịlụ. Ọ sị no ka nlụ ya ka ọ lụ na Igbo. Ya ka ịbịa compare na church ka ọ bịa church ka ọ na church ka ọ na-alụ onye nke ọzọ na-alụ hospital iwe picture ha na-abụ dịka ọnụ and ịma ihe na-trend na Igbo right now. And you know what is trending in Igbo land concerning the way us are fighting Christianity. Onye kwuo kpaka ma ọsị ya ga use that money to build factory than for you to build church. You know all those things. Ibe na asịzi onye nke na-alụ church, onye nke awụlụ hospital. So church ka ịma na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-alụ n'Imo State. University on Achilu, Guinea Kobo, hospital on Achilu, even hospital all in Anambra State, Ebona Gwandala, and I don't want actually in 5 states, and he have started the work. Ikulu Hanchanina, he could church gonaro. Development on air with and other things. Nabanimo State, Ikulia, Ason in Canalo Church, in Canalo Hospital. And people will say because the way people say I mock Christianity and the way people say I insult Christianity, people will say, okay, only Canal Hospital, one my now. You will go video concerning Christianity how many times? Who is now one woman is up. One or go stop one equal anything concerning Christianity, anything against Christianity. I'm going to go video about this our brother on done. I'm going to go video how many times? Everyone am walk Christianity. Let me go video. Me video one wire. Ya wo po near here boy Christianity. Focus so egwana go. Iweta Matthias Ezak and Evangelist Ebuka Obi Zion na abịa eme video, and then use your wisdom ga bang. You just use your wisdom. Can people hire hot ebe na aga? Mana mu ene go the video. People kwuru maka the video. So no, let me go to this video and watch what people are complaining about this video. When in a video where hot ebe na just okay. Onis we bia conclude everything about Ebuka na alo hospital Branta church and Igbo land. Ya da halo onye nke ọzọ na alo hospital. So ministry came all the hospital na alo inu be maka ya. University on ashiri no be maka ya. Development na abata na Imo State inu be maka na ngokwana. Many people now try to their own factories and the school and other things. In fact, Kachineke Melanie Ebele. And done. Though I said before that this video will not reach 10 minutes. I will go and go. You have Christianity now. Because I'm going to go. These are the people who want to fight Christianity in Igbo land. You could go, you could wear how many times? Another one in Canada, who want to get Christianity. Yes, we can jump in him by some. If you by some, yes, or by some, in one way or the other. So anything called Christianity in Igbo land, Emily Hige go back, Michono, each only Kumaka Matthias Ezak, nature is Riego. Come out online, say it, people should support him. In all the hospital, I support that, all the hospital, all the people should support him. I believe whatever and say Bukobi, you wear what Matthias Ezak, take a picture of Hana Bono, Snonian can hospital, Onion can law church in Igbo. For what reason? For what reason can you get me this kind of thing? And it done. Nojukwa halo. And it done. Nojukwa halo. I'm maybe in eje. Some of your friends and some of your fans got support. Man, I'm one of them maybe in eje. I know where you are going. I'm maybe in eje. Ebe in halo. I'm maybe in halo nyaka. I'm maybe in halo nyaka. Mgbe gal Egypt. Email a video about more Christianity. I'm going video about it. One wago. Mgbe ikwukwuru maka enyule, I want to go about it. So many things in about Christianity, I want to go whoop one of about Christianity. So Annie done Gante Evangelist Ebuka Obi before I conclude this message. Evangelist Ebuka Obi oburo some church corner in Imo State. On a big project Oji Abia and that project ebidogo. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Anambra State aba on alo ebe ọ na-agwọ ndị ala. Free. Not just in Kandala na Ganos and Anambra State. Only ala hajide na main load here. Buri ye bute ya bang. Tilite free. On achievement of 5 states. Enugu, Anambra, Imo, Abia, and Ebonyi State. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na lawyer na 5 states on when Igbo. He's building all those things and he done. Evangelist Ebuka Obi na lawyer born a 1 dollar 5 na Igbo. Ikuru makaya. Ihiju ebe conclude onye nke na alo church onye nke na alo hospital. Stop that thing. N'Imo State now bia n'Imo State efu many real estate nda no one real estate fair nwego many lands high go phase 1 left phase 2 people are now lost na abia na Ghana development na abata ozugbo mana obu na obunata ihe na Igbo a na Lagos ka ihe agara na-eme or na Yoruba ịma ihe mere aba ahụ. Some of you people may not misunderstand me. Some of you people may misunderstand me, but I know where I'm going. It's all equal of me, equal of my operation on your kind of church. If I say go, be also church call out an Igbo. Also church. Go many things. If Moji Makabena and Igbo and other people be called Imo State now. Because of Evangelist Ebuka Obi on Imo State. Now share their own business. Now share their own business center in Imo State because of that. Yake conclude ibia ki wole preach na Matthias Ezak bati ko na ko gunu ga ko onye nke na hospital onye nke lo church kanu madu wezesu okay no onye lo hospital ma ife ka ife church bụ kwa church abu factory church na nye madu all those things when they go online and they my ihe ni na because go on ogu sekwu ya because iso na ndana mo Christianity na Igbo iso one of them and done. Here was a Christianity. I will go and get many times. Focus on your music. I will go and get. Thank you and God bless you, my brothers, my sisters. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba. Shalom.